Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to be a UGC creator in Roblox Mobile. So first, go to Google Chrome and type for updates and changes to the UGC catalog application. Before you can create UGC items, you need to become a Roblox developer. To do this, you must be at least 13 years old and have a Roblox account that has been active for at least 30 days. Create 3D models. To make UGC items, you need to create 3D models using a 3D modeling software such as Blender, Maya, or 3ds Max. You can also use Roblox Studios built-in. Use the Roblox UGC. Once you have created your 3D models, you need to upload them to the Roblox UGC portal. You will need to provide a title, description, and tags for your item, as well as select the appropriate category. After you submit your UGC item, it will go through a review process to ensure it meets Roblox guidelines and standards. This can take up several weeks, so be patient. Once your UGC item is approved, you can publish it to the Roblox marketplace and start promoting it to other Roblox players. You can also earn Roblox virtual currency, when players purchase your item. It's important to note that creating UGC items requires some technical skills and experience with 3D modeling software. However, there are plenty of resources available online, such as tutorials and forums, to help you get started. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.